All right, going to be taking a look at FCGD again, currently at 0002. We looked at this one on the 14th of April and 0004, and I said could move, but in my opinion, a lot of shares. This is the one with 4 billion shares on the 13th, and then you guys gapped up here on the 17th, and then essentially just pulled back down from there. Again, guys, I told you that there's a lot of shares being traded here. On the 25th yesterday, you guys had 1 billion shares traded. And 1 billion on the 18th, 1 billion on the 19th. A lot of shares. It needs to break that 0002 to try to turn bullish again. It's holding in this area, but requested. This has been requested, and I will cover it again. But like I said, I think this is the one that had that enormous authorized shares, if I remember correctly, Joe. But this is one of the larger traded stocks that I've seen as far as sheer volume.
Yeah, I'm looking for it right now. 1 second. Yeah, I don't see anything about an increase. Nothing recent, anyways. I'll have to find it in their report. All right, so let's see right here. All right, so as of this report, when is this from? Let's see. All right, this 10QA is from the period ended September 30th, 2016. But that's the latest one over here. It was received on February 3rd, 2017. So I'll pull that up, and that is showing that it has. Should I just? Let me check. All right, so the common stock is 10 billion shares authorized, and there's 4,837,886,000. Wait, 4,837,886,575 shares issued and outstanding at September 30th, 2016. So there's 10 billion shares authorized and almost 5 billion, within the float as of September 30th, 2016. But the assets, let's see, at their financials. All right, so for the 3 months ended in September 16th, September 30th, 2016, they're showing revenues of $296,580, with the operating expenses being $293,614. So I mean, if you go back for the prior year, they had zero revenues, and this year with the 3 months they're showing 296,000. So I mean, they're generating revenue, so that's always a plus. Let's see, net income. They had a loss for the 9 months period ended September 30th, 2015. They had a loss of $5,529,119 is what they're showing for the net income loss, as opposed to the September 30th, 2016 being $533,682. So that's I mean, there's a lot of different things you obviously have to go through on this one. So if you want to continue doing more due diligence on this one, actually, you know what? They had a press release too on April 18th, 2017. Let me just pull that up right there. It's first Colombia Gold Corp signs letter of intent to lease coal mineral rights. So let's see. After announcing their intent to diversify energy operations, First Colombia Gold Corp announced on April 18th that they have signed a binding letter of intent to lease coal mineral rights to approximately 102 acres of permitted land in Clay County, Kentucky. The letter of intent, acknowledged by Doug and Sarah Bolin, is the next step for the First Colombia to enter into the coal industry and capitalize on the coal sector resurgence. The landowner, Doug Boland, stated, "We are excited to have First Columbia begin its operations with our property. The past decline of the coal industry made coal mining activity slow in eastern Kentucky. We are confident that this new relationship will work to revive coal in this area. The 102 acres has three primary seams of coal known as Adix, Fireclay, and Ambergy. Past mining activity on the property had located coal seams from 48 feet to 55 feet. Jason Kastner, CEO of First Columbia Gold Corp, stated, "We are very optimistic about our entry into the coal industry sector. The Bowling lease will provide an excellent location for mining. The coal overburden and mine location make this a desirable fit for the model that we are developing." All right, so that's that. I mean, that press release is there for you guys to continue to go through over in that FCGD board over here on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll also see the filings. I mean, you can pull up the one that I was going through, but that's as of September 30th. It's received on, February 14th or something like that. All right, so if you have an opinion as well, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that FCGD board.
All right, and that's what we're going to be doing right here. If you take a look at all this information, it's all at your fingertips, completely free. I was following along with Joe there on that recent press release of April 18, 2017. Right here with the chart, like I said, 0002, a lot of shares being traded. Resistance at 3, support at 2. Play it safe, my personal opinion. Like Joe said, obviously it seems like the revenue's coming back. They got updates. You would definitely want to watch this one moving forward. FCGD, make sure you get out there and share this video. We'd appreciate it. And don't forget to join us live at investorshangout.com/live.